let's get on board Laxmikant Shukla, technical analyst, institutional research, Yes Securities India. Hi Laxmikant, good afternoon to you. Thank you so much for joining us today. Laxmikant, first up, it was a tepid day in the market yet again. In fact, Nifty closed in the red for the February series. In fact, we have broken below the 22,550 levels. What are the levels that you're watching out for? We did see Nifty Bank though outperforming, and it was trading above its previous range. Is the banking pack going to lead the recovery? What are the levels that you're watching out for the front line and for Bank Nifty?
Good afternoon, Ankita, and thank you for inviting me on your show. So I would like to start that from the that market opened the week with a significant decline, and subsequent recovery attempt proved futile, leaving the benchmark index confined to a trading range. Persistent struggle between buyers and sellers is evident, with sellers currently holding the upper hand. Technically, the levels of 22,450 to 22,400 support area, which is also placed near the mark of 20-month simple moving averages, so which is crucial for the Nifty. Now, its ability to withstand selling pressure will determine whether a rebound is feasible or if further losses are imminent. On the flip side, the levels of 22,670 to 22,720, where bearish gap has originated on Monday, could act as the strong resistance for the market, so which could hinder this potential upward move in the immediate future. Now, if Nifty breaches the levels of 22,450, then this existing weakness could intensify and we could see more downcuts toward the levels of 22,000 and then 21,800 levels. If we talk about Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty is currently experiencing a recovery for the last 3 days. Daily chart reveals that it has formed bullish candle, and even if we look at the 3 days data where it's forming higher tops and higher bottom, so which is indicating that in the upcoming sessions Bank Nifty could outperform the benchmark index. And if Bank Nifty able to hold the support of 47,800, then we could see this pullback move could extend higher toward the levels of 49,650, where its upcoming resistance is seen.
Laxmikant, for helping us understand what the setup then looks like, at least when the Bank Nifty then is concerned. But tell us about your picks that you have for our viewers as well. I believe there's a banking counter that makes it to that list as well.
If we look at the all over sectorial indices, then only Nifty Financial and Nifty Private Banks has seen some upside momentum. So we could see, even we look at the ratio chart of Nifty Financial Service and private banks, which we can compare with the benchmark index, they are also trending higher. So now these are only two sectors which are shifting toward the positive trajectory. So we could expect outperformance in the near term by these two sectors. And even I have picked my two stocks from these two sectors also. So first one is Axis Bank. So Axis Bank has undergone a substantial correction around 30% from its peak of 1,340 without showing any immediate sign of recovery. But from last few days, it is started making a strong base near its previous support areas. And even if we look at the RSI chart, which is showing a positive crossover on the daily scale, so we could expect that Axis Bank could move higher. Even Axis Bank has formed cup and handle pattern on the daily chart, so we could expect upside breakout in Axis Bank. That's why we have shortlisted for taking long position. So we could buy this Axis Bank on a dip around 1,000 to 1,010 with the stop loss of 978 on the downside, and we could expect upside move toward the levels of 1,060. Second stock is from Nifty Financial Services, that is Shriram Finance. So this stock has given double bottom breakout on the daily chart, and after seeing short-term profit booking from its 200 DMA, this stock has jumped above its previous swing high of 595 with decent volume, and today it has also formed bullish belt hold candlestick pattern. So we could expect that this ongoing move will continue in Shriram Finance, and one can go long around the dip toward the levels of 595 to 600 and can expect upside move in this stock toward the levels of 640 with the stop loss of 580.
All right, Shriram Finance as one of your top picks. In fact, Shriram Finance was one of the top buzzers today on the back of that big RBI stimulus that came in. Thank you so much for taking the time out and joining us, Laxmikant.